Yeah man, if you know people, this is the original Super Youth Tough Chanter Train Center. Go get a money maker fire starter, the original Demon Caster this one, you know. And me are the conquering family mouthpiece. So when you hear this voice, you know the big man is somewhere around. That means wow. That is done the general soldier of the goddamn anthem like a federal, especially like a mineral, I'm cause a funeral. And trust me, no man, we run the thing paniad and abroad. So nothing we mad, we out the road and I want good. Them say 31.
Third one match
Yeah,
in
man.
Dubai, Chelsea Plaza
Chelsea
Hotel.
Plaza Hotel, member, make it a date and don't be late. It's all about the Conquering Family Foundation in session. Big up the #1 promoter in the house. Them say Big Bad Boss Trouble. Yeah, man, I'm my #1 DJ. This one is straight out of Zimbabwe. Big up DJ Winnie straight out of here. South Africa, anywhere you there, not forget Basta. And the Old Body Slam family.
DJ Jesse out of Dubai.
Anywhere you there, I will say Conquering Family will be maximum. To the fullest.
Yeah, takamirira Jala vari kusvika panapa tina Super Youth mpana wake ari kusimbisa dance chichichi 31 machakachaya paDubai neka tirimo marounds imomo takamirira chibaba takarowa zvimaferari futi usadhibhenga ipapo
My picture.